Back at it again with another video. Kang's Kicks. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. What's good, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. Coming back to y'all. Man, we're going to unbox one of these things. Just one. I went stupid crazy for All-Star Weekend. So honestly, to be honest with y'all, I don't even know what's what right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab the first box. I'm going to grab the first one. We're going to get it open. We're going to see what they is. And we're going to talk about them. Kang's Kicks, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. You already know what's up. Bam. Let's do it on the tape. What we got? My cutters. Let's get into this, man. I know I gotta have my sound on there. Ooh, this time, man, this kind of difficult. I wonder what these is, man. I'm wondering. I think I know what they are, though. I don't want to tell you. I don't want to say that yet, because I might be wrong. Yeah, man. Okay. Oh, yeah. Good. See, it's a red box, but it's these ones. Box. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Box is hard. I can already smell them. Woo! Ooh. Some fire. Look at that. Let's look at that box. Get a good view of those. So if y'all ain't figured out yet, if y'all don't know, these is the UNC to Chicago Air Jordan Retro 1. Ooh, the leather on these smell good. Man, look at these boys. Look at these boys, man. These is nice. I'm feeling them. I was thinking about dumping these, but man, I can't dump these. Not these though. Ooh, look at them. Look at that. A good look at that leather though. Y'all see that, man? It feel plush too. It's nice. It's soft. You know what I'm saying? It's a real quality shoe. It's a real quality shoe. Caught these from a sneaker app. I was on there, you know what I'm saying? I was ready. I was extra ready this time. Check them out. Check that out. Extra pair of laces on them. You know, most of the ones is gonna come with an extra pair of laces. So, you know that they got that going on. Man, what y'all think, man? Are y'all feeling these or y'all not feeling these? Did y'all grab these? Did y'all pass on them? Like, what did y'all do, man? I know a lot of people wanted them, but I think that they still available. I think that, y'all could grab these. Ooh, look at them things. Look at them things, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Basically, I'm going to just tell y'all a little quick story right quick. All right. So, Jordan released the first one in 1985. All right. Basically, they wasn't retro until 94. All right. And he was following his retirement. Man, the first time I got some Jordan 1s, shout out Moms. Moms took me down to the store. All right. And she was like, I'm going to get you these shoes. And I'm looking and I'm like, they put out the shoes, man. You know, I'm young. Probably like, second, third grade or something like that. They put out the shoes. And, I barely knew who Jordan was back then, man. And I looked at him and I was like, oh, man, I am not wearing those. And I was like, those look like Ronald McDonald shoes. And my mom busted up, started laughing, man. Long story short, I wish I still had that pair of mine. You could dig through something, you could find them, let me know. I need those back. But anyway, man, I started watching Jordan growing up, started watching him blowing up, and I love him, man, and I ended up falling in love with the shoe. So, there it is. I feel Jordan 1s, man. I like 1s. I'm going to try to keep all my 1s that I can. You know what I'm saying? Just stash them. So, man, y'all holla at your boy, man. Support, like, comment, and subscribe, man. And I'm going to get at y'all next time. Luke Kang's Kicks. I'm out.